Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Cynthia, and remember, we are on our 4th week of virtual school, which means that I am at home teaching you guys while you guys are at home learning, and we learn for what? To get smarter. Good job. So we're going to start off with our morning board. So here we have, today is, and I am feeling. Let's start with the first one. I'll read it first, and then you'll read it with me. Today is, let's read it together. Today is, what day is it? If yesterday was a Monday, what day comes after Monday? I'll give you a hint. Tuesday. Say it with me. Tuesday. Good job. Let's spell it out. Capital T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. But what's missing at the end of Tuesday? A period. Good job. Now let's read it. Today is Tuesday. Let's go to our next one. I am feeling. How are you feeling? Are you feeling happy, mad, sad, tired, sleepy? How are you feeling? I am feeling happy. So we're going to spell happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. But what's missing at the end of happy? A period. Good job. And the period tells us to what? To stop. Good job. And we're going to draw a little smiley face because we're happy. So today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. So we know what day it is and how we're feeling. So last week we learned 2 numbers. Do you remember what numbers those were? What number is this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We learned about the number 5 and the number, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what number comes after 6? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what number are we learning about? 7. Good job. But first, let's review our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember, 10 is bigger than 1, and 1 is smaller than 10. And as we go up the numbers, the bigger they get. And as we go down the numbers, the smaller they get. Good job. So today we are going to be learning about the number 7. And here we have some dots, some squares, some stars, and some hearts. So let's count and make sure we have 7 in each. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have 7 hearts? Yes. Let's go to our stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have 7 stars? Yes. Let's go to our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have 7 dots? Yes. Let's go to our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have 7 squares? Yes. So we have 7 hearts, 7 stars, 7 dots, and 7 squares. Good job. And here's our 7. It's like a straight line and then a slash. Straight line and slash. So we're going to be learning about the number 7. So we have been showing you guys the 5 different ways you can show a number. Last week I showed you 5 different ways that we showed the number 5. and 6. And today we're going to show you the 5 different ways for the number 7. And remember, we have word, how do you spell it? We have write, how do you write it? And then we have our 10 frame, which consists of 10 boxes. And then we have draw. So we draw 7 things to show the number 7. And then we have tally to show the number 7. So remember, these are the 5 different ways we can show the number 7. So here we have word, write, 10 frame, draw, and tally. So we're going to start with the word. How do you spell the number 7? S, E, V, E, N. And now let's say it together. S, E, V, E, N. Now how do you write the number 7? So we said it's a line slash. And then we have 10 frame and we have 10 boxes, but we only need 7, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have 7? Yes. Now we're gonna draw. Let's draw 7 smiley faces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have 7 smiley faces? Yes. Now we're going to do tallies. And remember, there are 2 ways to do tallies. Let's do the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the first way. That's the second way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, the slash means 5, 6, 7. So we have shown you guys the 5 different ways to show the number 7. We spelled out 7, and then we wrote 7. And then we put 7 dots in the 10th frame to show the number 7. And then we drew 5 smiley faces to show the number 7. And then we did the 2 different ways to show the number 7. So as you can see, we learned the 5 different ways of number 7. So as you can see, we learned how to figure things out if there's 7 by counting. And then we did the 5 different ways to show the number 7. So now it's your turn to do your activity. And remember, your activity is that you have to move the lemonades to the 10th frame. And remember, this is our 10th frame. So you'll move lemonades to show the number 7. And remember, we always start at the top left of the 10th frame, okay? Top left. Never the bottom, always the top. And before we go, I am going to show you guys 7 bears so you guys can know how to give an example of showing 7 bears. So let's count them together so we can know how many bears we need. And remember, we need 7, so I'm going to count them out. And you tell me when to stop when we have 7 bears, okay? So here we have our bears. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I need more bears? Yes? No, because we have 7 bears already. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good job. You guys are so smart. We have all of our 7 bears. Good job. So remember, now it's your turn to do your activity, which is to move the lemonades to the 10 frames, showing 7 lemonades because that's the number we're learning about today. If you guys need any help, send me a message. Bye.